welcome back. So today I just got my cat this brand new toy. She absolutely loves it. Oh my gosh. You should be a little a little soccer player with those moves. I mean like a little acrobat with those moves. Boom boom, yes. Ooh. So basically something about this is that whatever happens with it, she'll also move too. Basically, what I mean is like, whatever, like look, let's act like it's going like this. She will apparently start spinning in circles and see. Like her head will, oh, see her eyes are going insane right now. What was that? Nala, baby, be more careful. But you little girl, you better, you better stop. Come here. Nala. Baby, this is glass. Be careful. I'm the one who's making you go on glass. Skirt. I want to break their rules. Do it all together. Forever. You want to break the rules. Do it all together. Forever. Let's break the rules. Lopsided. Alright, here, now find this letter. Go. Get it. Good. You are my little acrobat, aren't you? You're my little acrobat. My little acrobat.